Blogging is one of the most valuable marketing tools that I know of, but only if it's done right. Pinterest is a content-hungry platform, and while it's not exactly necessary to have a blog to be successful on Pinterest, it can be difficult to have enough valuable content for you to succeed. And if you're planning on doing any social media marketing, having a blog is one of the best ways to create valuable content that will drive customers to your website. Now, before we go on, the most common mistake I see businesses make when creating a blog is they create a blog that's unrelated to their business. Let's say you own a jewelry store. If your blog is all about your healthy lifestyle and your meal plans, pictures of what you're eating, so on, that's not going to help your business grow. In fact, it may annoy your customers and diminish your professionalism. If, however, you had a blog that talked about red carpet jewelry trends and how to style an outfit to go with different pieces of jewelry, or how to care for jewelry, that would help bring in business. I also think a lot of people get intimidated by the idea of starting a blog because there's a lot of advice out there that tells you need to write a post every day, or it tells you your posts need to be 1,500 words, yada, yada, yada. Now, that's not necessary for most businesses. You just need space on your website where you can answer questions your potential customers might have. You want to inspire your customers and provide valuable information. The truth is, high quality content will always outcompete content that isn't well thought out. And not all businesses benefit from having a daily blog. I know as a business owner, it's way too much work to try to put out high quality content every day. And I get much better results for my business and for my clients when I focus on blogging only about once per week or even once per month. Now, I do want to put a disclaimer out there. If your business is your blog, frequency is critical. So if you're a mommy blogger or a travel blogger or any type of blogger who is trying to make their living from their blog, you need to post frequently. And most likely you need to post every day. But you still can't sacrifice quality. In order to be successful on Pinterest, you'll need a lot of high quality content. And blogging is one of the best ways to add valuable content to your website. Pinterest is a search engine, and we'll go more into the smart feed in future lessons, but the more high quality content you have on your website, the more likely Pinterest is to show your pins to new potential customers. Blog posts also make you a lot more searchable because it adds a lot of text to your website, which means you have more opportunities for Pinterest or Google to find keywords on your website that are relevant. For example, let's say you sell coffee syrups in all different flavors. Some of your customers are going to look for coffee flavorings and see what shows up. But the last time I ordered coffee syrup was because I found a sensational recipe for an amaretto iced coffee that made my mouth water. And I never buy syrups for coffee. Think about it. In the first instance, you can only get in front of people who are actively looking for your product. In the second example, you have the opportunity to sell your product to someone who may not have ever known about your product. That's huge. And if you're one of the little guys, it can be nearly impossible to get in front of your potential customers, especially if your business only exists online. Blogging is one of the best ways to get around those big guys and get in front of your potential customers.